Hello friends, we are going to talk about how to prepare for an exam along with job. Friends, if you are working, you are doing one job and you want to prepare for your dream job, then this video is for you. In this video, we are going to discuss some techniques through which we can achieve our target while working. In the present competitive era, a number of aspirants prepare for examinations. Many of them get selected in some exam, but that is not their dream job. So they want to prepare for their dream job. If you have reached one milestone, then how you can optimize your energy and thoughts to achieve further success as you have dreamt. Friends, this is a concept of electrical engineering. If load center is nearer to a power generation source, then the transmission losses will be less. Similarly, if our residence is near to the workplace, then in that case we will need less time to reach from home to residence, uh, from residence to workplace and workplace to residence. So we will save time. Similarly, we will save energy. So this time and energy can be utilized for preparing for examination. If we are unable to shift our accommodation near to our workplace, then we can plan for studying while traveling. If we are traveling in a public transport, then it becomes easier to study. But if we are self-driving, then in that case we have not to study. In fact, in that case we have to think nothing, but we have to drive, and we have our full concentration should be on driving. If we are in public transport, then either we can read notes or short notes, or we can clarify our concepts through videos. Utilization of break. In each and every job, there is a provision of break of 1 hour. It may be slightly less or more. We can utilize this time for our study. In this time, instead of going for studying, reading books or notes, we can prefer to go for tests. In fact, we can appear in test series, rather part test series, and generally part test series are of 30 minutes or 45 minutes. So we can, today if I am giving one test of 45 minutes, then my today's break will be utilized. Tomorrow I will analyze where I have made the mistake, where which is my strong point, which is my weak point, and we will work accordingly on that. In this time, in this break time, I am giving a stress on doing mock part test, because if we study here books or notes, then there is lot of disturbance, so we can't focus, or we can say we can't engage completely in that. But if we do part test series, then there is a timer running, so we mentally prepare ourselves that we have to complete these number of questions in this time frame, so we become efficient. Balance work and study. When you are at your workplace, do your duty with integrity. Give 100% towards your duty. Don't try to study by hampering your duty. If you are doing your job properly, and if you are new, then focus on your training. Learn, train yourself what you have to do at your job place. Once you get acquainted, you can do job very efficiently. Once you are doing your job work satisfactorily, then you will be mentally free, and when you will come home after doing job, you will be fully free to study. So here, don't at home, don't try to do the work related to your job. Here you are free to study. So balance is necessary. Adjust your duty roster. In some jobs, there is a flexibility of duty time. Some people come around 7 o'clock and they work up to 3 o'clock. Other people will come at 3 o'clock and work up to 11 o'clock. And similarly, this roster goes on. If you have planned for studying, then I will suggest you prefer to choose the evening shift. In that shift, when you will come home after doing job, you will be fully exhausted. So when you will go to bed, you will get a sound sleep. Definitely, this is the requirement of yours. When you will complete your sleep properly, then in the morning your mind will be fresh, and in the morning you can study properly. If you are studying 4 to 5 hours daily, then after a certain period of time you will be in a good condition. But if you don't have a choice to adjust your time, then you can study before going to office and after coming from office. If your working time is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., then you can study late night also, and you can wake up late. After getting up, you can go to office directly. Plan the leaves. Generally, we get some earned leaves, some casual leaves, and holidays and Sundays. We have to study. We have to utilize our holidays for studying. In addition to that, instead of wasting leaves unnecessarily, we can save our leaves and plan these leaves for the month of exam. Suppose our exam is in the month of December, then we should not take leaves in January, March like that. We can take leave 1 week before the exam, or in that month, so that we can completely focus on our studies. So if we are completely involved in one thing, that is for preparing the exam, then we will have a complete flow and we can do very well in the examination. Friends, these are some techniques from which we can optimize our preparation as well as we can do our job simultaneously. If you are using some or any of these techniques, then please let me know by commenting in the comment section. If you are using some other technique, then please also let me know that which technique you are using, so that others may also get benefit. If you want to get similar videos, then please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.